Your Subaru Outback allows you to take any adventure with confidence, whether traveling along the open road or exploring the rough terrain. With a rugged exterior and attractive, sophisticated interior, your Outback is versatile, comfortable, and designed to keep you safe to go wherever life takes you. Take on new experiences with genuine Subaru accessories and live life to its fullest. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your vehicle. They're backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories by Thule. Join us as we take a closer look at some of the genuine Subaru accessories available to customize your Outback for your lifestyle. Life on the go has no limitations. Help protect your Outback with attractive, color-matched body side molding. This accessory coordinates with the styling of the vehicle and helps guard against unsightly door dings. Stainless steel, custom fit, and color-matched door edge guards help protect your door edges against dings and chips while seamlessly blending into the door design. Shield the paint finish of your Outback from stones and road grime. Genuine Subaru splash guards undergo a series of durability tests and are engineered to withstand weather and various driving conditions. For the adventures that lead you on a road less traveled, the engine underguard provides additional protection from gravel and road debris. The steel underguard is painted black to resist corrosion and engineered to directly replace the original undercover. The aluminum engine underguard is a lighter weight option for turbo models, supplementing the original cover for added protection. Both allow for easy access to the oil drain plug for regular maintenance. Roll down the windows to let fresh air in, while helping to keep inclement weather out. Genuine Subaru side window deflectors are extensively evaluated for water intrusion and tested to help reduce wind noise and vibration. Durable door scuff protectors help keep shoe scuffs and other scrapes off your doors when getting in and out of your Outback. The unique texture complements the design of the door panels. Engineered to ensure a precise fit, custom fitted, high wall design all-weather floor liners provide a layer of protection to the vehicle carpet from spills, dirt, snow, sand, mud, and other messes. This genuine Subaru accessory withstands a series of functional and durability evaluations to help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. Your Subaru Outback is spacious enough to accommodate your gear, but when you need even more space for your cargo, lower the back seats and help keep them protected with the rear seat back protector. You can keep your gear organized and secure in the back of your Outback with the genuine Subaru cargo net. The net can be used 2 ways. Anchor it to the sides of the cargo area to help prevent shifting from the front to back, or lay it across the floor to help keep things from rolling around. Wherever your Outback takes you, from wide open territory or the mountain trails, to the lakes, streams, or the slopes, increase your cargo carrying capacity with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories. Subaru engineers work in close collaboration with the Thule Group during the design and development of all our Thule racks and carriers to help ensure they comply with Subaru requirements, offer a precise fit, and increase durability. From the genuine Subaru cargo carrier extended, and heavy-duty roof cargo basket for additional rooftop storage, and carriers specifically designed to transport your kayak and paddleboard for your adventures on the water, to rooftop carriers for your skis or snowboard. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories allow you to haul your gear safely and securely. A variety of bike carriers manufactured by Thule are available for your Outback for you to choose from. If your choice is to haul your bikes behind you, carry either 2 bikes or 4 with the Hitch mounted bike carrier. If you're transporting mountain or downhill bikes, fat bikes, or bikes with a carbon frame, the Hitch platform carrier may be your preference. Or you can securely transport your bikes above with the roof mounted bike carrier or fork mounted bike carrier. For the extra height you need to reach your rooftop gear, the Thule portable step can help. Constructed of heavy-duty steel with rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs, the step conveniently folds and fits into a carrying bag for storage when not in use. When your travels require even more gear, tow it with a genuine Subaru trailer hitch. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch with heavy-duty 2-inch receiver is rated at 3,500 pounds towing capacity, 350 pounds tongue weight for the 2.4 Turbo XT model, and 2,700 pounds tow capacity and 270 pounds tongue weight for the naturally aspirated 2.5 liter. Unlike typical aftermarket hitches, the genuine Subaru trailer hitch is crash tested with the vehicle as a complete system and engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your Outback. The auto-dimming mirror with compass and HomeLink darkens automatically to protect your eyes from unwanted glare when driving and also features an 8-point digital compass. This popular accessory integrates 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. It can also let you know if your garage door has been left open or closed if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. Elevate the auto-dimming mirror experience by adding the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. Upon approaching the vehicle or unlocking your doors with the keyless entry system, LED lights located behind the Subaru logo in each exterior mirror illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. During nighttime driving, the exterior auto-dimming mirrors will reduce headlight glare by dimming in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror, creating a safer driving experience. Turn up the enjoyment and add a soundtrack to your adventure. The Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade includes an amplifier, upgraded speakers, and integrated digital signal processor to enhance audio sound quality. Thank you for coming along with us to see some of the many genuine Subaru accessories available for your Subaru Outback. Wherever love takes you, your Subaru will get you there safely and securely. Open up a world of exploration and possibility with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.